So making money online, trading Forex is not as hard as most of you are making it seem. What's going on, guys? My name is Rico, aka RockStarr or RockStarrFX, and in the year 2020, I took this channel from about, I think, 1,500 subscribers at the beginning of the year to now over 20,000 subscribers coming into 2021. And I did that all through providing free content of teaching you all just the basics of trading and how you can actually be profitable in the Forex market. Now, if you all have enjoyed my content up until this point, I think what it is that I'm about to do over the course of the next few days is going to be absolutely monumental for the channel. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I think we're going to provide a lot of value, but more importantly, we're going to be making you guys a ton of money coming into 2021. So let's sit back, relax, make sure you watch the whole thing through, and for the first time ever, enjoy the RockStarr 12 Days of Christmas.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
What's up, what's going on, guys? It is your boy RockStarr here, back with another video, and I'm just super excited for what it is that we're about to do. This is going to be absolutely crazy. So as you guys probably see by the title and listen to what it was I just said, we are doing officially a RockStarr 12 Days of Christmas Forex Marathon. That's right, a Forex Marathon. So what I'm going to be doing is, over the course of 2020, I provided a lot of content and a lot of value for you guys here on YouTube, but I understand that as the months went by, more and more of you began to subscribe, and you probably missed some of my earlier but more important videos that you probably should have saw, and that could be helping you take your Forex trading to the next level, or even just understand the markets in general. So what I decided that I'm going to be doing is something crazy special just for you, and I'm calling it the 12 Days of Christmas. So for every single day, this being day number 1, every single day for the next 12 days leading up until Christmas Day as well. That's right, I'm going to be uploading the final video on Christmas, but every day until Christmas, I'm going to be uploading a video breaking down to you damn near everything that you need to know about trading Forex, about getting into the markets, how to understand the markets, and even ending it off with binary options, because I know a lot of you here trade binaries, and I absolutely love binary options. So that's right, every day for the next 12 days, you can be expecting an upload from me coming into the morning time area between the hours of probably 10 a.m. to noon Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to be uploading, so make sure you guys put on your post notifications, all right? And if this is your first time watching, if you've never seen one of my videos before, make sure you absolutely subscribe. Now, here's what's going to be really cool. Not only are we providing this free value and this free content to you, but at the end of the 12 days, we are going to be doing a huge cash giveaway on day number 12. Now, this is something that I kind of just threw in there last minute. I thought it would be really freaking cool to do, especially because we're dealing with money here, right? And I understand that when I first started trading, I didn't really have a lot of money to trade with. I damn near didn't have anything for that matter. So what we're gonna be doing is, throughout the course of these 12 days, it's gonna be absolutely at random, but in the videos, there is going to be a little message. And the goal for you guys is, if you want to participate in this giveaway, is to make sure you collect all of the messages to decipher what the entire message is by day number 12. So the rules are going to be very simple. When I decide to put a message in a video, it's going to be accompanied by one of the gifts of the 12 Days of Christmas. So if you guys know this 12 Days of Christmas song, on the 6th day of Christmas, for each day of the 12 Days of Christmas, there was a gift given, right? So that's how you guys will know if it's actually a part of the message that you have to save or write down or whatever the case may be. It's going to look something like this, where you're going to see obviously the gift and the message underneath. The message is the important part, okay? Because at the end of the 12 days, day number 12, I'm going to be telling you exactly what to do with the message so that you can have a chance to win and be a part of this $500 giveaway. By the way, yes, that was the first message. So that's pretty much it, guys. This video wasn't really intended to take up a lot of your time, but I am super excited for the next 12 days. We're going to be talking over everything like what is Forex, right? Stocks versus Forex, which is a huge huge question. What's trading in the Forex market? The best times to trade, the number one tools that I use to trade, the difference between Forex and binary options, and how you can start trading and becoming profitable as well. And remember to participate in looking for these messages in the videos for your chance to be a part of the $500 Christmas giveaway. With that being said, guys, you already know it's your boy RockStarr. I'm out. Peace.
Feel just like a rock star.